Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo2 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let me begin with opening the settings because we will customize this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to it. So as I said, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on display and brightness. And as you can see here on the third position, let's say we've got the eye comfort, and of course you can turn it on without any customization just by tapping on this switcher, we can customize this also, so simply tap on eye comfort and here we've got plenty of options to personalize. So first of all, you can decide if you want to keep it turned always on, so it means that you will have to manually turn it on or off. You can also schedule it actually, so you can set it from sunset to sunrise and then your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably based on the network provided time. And we've got also the schedule time option, which means that you will be able to manually set the start and end time. So obviously just tap on start and by swiping pick the start time and end time. But let me leave it always on. And here we've got the option thanks to which we can customize it. So we can change the color temperature just by using this switcher. Right now we've got it on the coolest option, but we can go to the very right in order to set the warmest. And as you can see right now, it is orangish or also almost amber color. And of course you can set it just like you want to set on the option which is the most comfortable for you. And under it we've got also display effects, which is quite a cool option because we can keep the colors right now, just the screen will be yellowish, or we can set black and white, and thanks to this everything will be displayed in the black, white and gray colors. It's up to you, but I will stick to the color. So actually this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully and find the eye comfort icon, which is right here. Obviously right now it is turned on. If you've got to turn it off, just tap on this icon and as you can see the screen turns back to its totally normal state, and of course you can turn it on the same way from this level. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your REALME GT Neo2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.